You're committed to eating healthy and nourishing your body so it functions at its best. You're swapping out unhealthy foods for good-for-you snacks, meal planning so you aren't tempted to eat out, and start every morning with a smoothie. But then life happens and those tempting treats start to appear in your pantry again, and you can't seem to find that 10 minutes to make that smoothie in the morning. We've all been there. Eating healthy and convenience don't always go hand in hand. That is, until Kayni Core 140 was created. Now you have a wholesome meal replacement shake packed with nutrients that you can blend or shake up in 60 seconds. It's a complete meal, so there's no need to add in other foods. Just blend with water and go on your day knowing you're committing to your health with each sip. The Kayni Core 140 Meal Replacement Shake combines over 140 all-natural, nutrient-dense ingredients in one convenient meal. It features 22 grams of grass-fed protein to support lean muscle, 18 organic grains to complement your diet, and 6 grams of organic fiber to keep you full and satisfied. Plus, digestive enzymes and probiotics promote gut health and nutrient absorption, so you can truly benefit from all of those wholesome ingredients. Natural vitamins and minerals, a blend of adaptogens, and a natural belly fat buster extract from wild malice make this unlike any other shake you've tried before. All this with just 280 calories and only 6 grams of sugar, just enough to give your body the energy it needs without the use of artificial sweeteners. Eating a healthy diet doesn't have to be difficult. Try nature's most convenient meal, Kayni Core 140.